Trav, I just left my tricks on my air tag in my bike. I had to get a new one because they only last 2 years, those ones. Headed down to 20th Street here. See right people. On the black alleys. White buff right here. Good old white buff. Stretch red. Not too much happening around here today. Ticket for that dude. Speeding, probably. But anyways.
Fuck, what's Woody's number, bro?
Woody?
What's his phone number?
I have no idea.
You find it, you're gonna get a hold of him. Get a hold of him.
These are the brothers. We
They're
own
on
the
live.
streets.
Around the world. Hey, girl. Baba.
There we go. Cruising.
When can I come home?
Okay, bro, yeah. I don't know
Okay.
Woody's number. Okay, bro.
When you find it, hook me up with
Okay,
it.
bro.
Later.
Come on, drive. We go this way. Take a ride over here, Tribes. Comfy area. too many, no one here. They must have got all evicted. What the hell's going on? So this alleyway, I guess. Oh yeah, they're right there. Oh yeah, here's a fridge. Right here's a fridge here. People drop stuff off in here and then people go eat it. Call it community fridge.